Looking for your next Turkish getaway? Let me tell you about Delphin Diva Hotel, and trust me, this place might just surprise you. Situated right on Lara Beach in Antalya, this five-star resort has been making waves since it opened in the early 2010s. After spending time researching this property, I can tell you it's not your typical cookie-cutter resort. The hotel underwent major renovations in 2021, adding smart technology to rooms and refreshing public areas, then followed up in 2022 with enhanced spa facilities. What caught my attention immediately is how this place manages to balance luxury with family-friendly vibes without feeling chaotic. The contemporary architecture blends modern comfort with traditional Turkish hospitality, creating an atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. With direct beach access and multiple pools, Delphin Diva positions itself as a premium all-inclusive destination that caters to couples, families, and anyone seeking a high-end beach holiday experience. When it comes to accommodations, Delphin Diva offers three main room categories that actually make sense for different travel needs. The deluxe rooms, spanning about 35 to 40 square meters, come with either king or twin beds, a comfortable seating area, and a balcony overlooking either the gardens or pool area. These rooms include all the essentials you'd expect from a five-star property: air conditioning, flat-screen television, minibar, safe, complimentary Wi-Fi, coffee and tea-making facilities, plus a bathroom with both bathtub and shower. The soundproof windows are a nice touch that shows attention to guest comfort. For families, the family suites are where things get interesting. At around 70 square meters, these suites feature two separate bedrooms, a living room, two bathrooms, and a balcony with either sea or garden views. The addition of a kitchenette and enhanced entertainment system makes these suites practical for longer stays or families who want more space to spread out. The junior suites strike a balance between luxury and intimacy, offering 50 to 55 square meters of open-plan bedroom and living area with sea views. The standout feature here is the jacuzzi bathtub and upgraded minibar, plus premium furnishings that elevate the overall experience. What's refreshing is that room descriptions match reality, and the 2021 renovations have clearly made a difference in modernizing the accommodations while maintaining comfort. The dining scene at Delphin Diva revolves around variety and quality, which isn't always easy to achieve in an all-inclusive setting. The main restaurant, Diva Gourmet, operates as a buffet-style venue with live cooking stations that can accommodate up to 400 guests. The international and Turkish specialties include fresh seafood, traditional mezes, grilled meats, and solid vegetarian options. Breakfast runs from 7 to 10:30, lunch from 12:30 to 3, and dinner from 7 to 10. The themed dinner nights, including Turkish night and seafood night, add some excitement to the dining routine. For a more refined experience, Saffron offers Mediterranean and Turkish fusion cuisine in an elegant casual setting. This a la carte restaurant requires reservations and operates dinner service only from 7 to 10:30. The menu highlights include lamb shank, meze platters, and fresh fish, with wine tasting evenings adding sophistication to the experience. The pool bar, called Splash, keeps things casual with cocktails, light snacks, and ice creams from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. What works well here is that the resort doesn't try to be everything to everyone but focuses on doing a few dining concepts really well. The variety satisfies different moods and occasions without overwhelming guests with too many choices. The pool and beach facilities are where Delphin Diva really shines, offering three distinct outdoor pools that cater to different preferences. The main pool covers approximately 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1.4 to 2.0 meters, featuring a swim-up bar that's perfect for those lazy afternoon cocktails. The children's pool stays shallow for safety while still being fun, and the adults-only pool provides a quieter alternative for those seeking peace. Water slides add excitement for kids without dominating the entire pool area. All pools operate seasonally from April to October, with hours from 8 in the morning until 8 at night. Poolside services include towel service, comfortable sun loungers, and attentive waiter service that keeps drinks flowing without being pushy. The private sandy beach stretches approximately 300 meters of golden sand coastline, offering plenty of space for guests to find their perfect spot. Beach services mirror the pool amenities with sun loungers, umbrellas, towel service, and a dedicated beach bar. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boat rides for additional charges. What impressed me most is how the resort maintains the beach area. It's clean, organized, and doesn't feel overcrowded even during peak season. The transition from pool to beach feels natural, and guests can easily move between both areas throughout the day. Activities at Delphin Diva go beyond the typical resort offerings, focusing on both active and relaxation options. The fitness center features modern equipment including treadmills, elliptical machines, stationary bikes, free weights, and resistance machines, operating from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. Fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and seasonal aqua aerobics that add variety to workout routines. The entertainment program runs throughout the week with live music 3 nights per week, DJ sets, and cultural shows that showcase local talent and traditions. What sets this resort apart is the balance between organized activities and personal space. You can participate as much or as little as you want without feeling pressured. The weekly schedule provides structure for those who like planned activities while leaving plenty of free time for spontaneous beach walks or pool lounging. Seasonal events during holidays like Christmas, New Year, and Ramadan evenings add cultural richness to the experience. The activities feel authentic rather than forced, and the staff manages to create energy without being overwhelming. The spa and wellness facilities represent a significant investment in guest relaxation and rejuvenation. Treatment options include Swedish and deep tissue massages, facial treatments, body scrubs, and the signature hammam experience. The Turkish bath ritual and aromatherapy massage stand out as signature treatments that connect guests with local wellness traditions. Facilities include a sauna, steam room, relaxation lounge, and multiple treatment rooms that create a serene environment away from the resort's more active areas. Operating hours from 9 in the morning until 8 at night provide flexibility for different schedules, though booking treatments in advance through reception or the spa desk is highly recommended. The 2022 edition of Enhanced Wellness Facilities has clearly elevated the spa experience, with guests consistently praising the quality of treatments and professionalism of staff. What works well is how the spa feels integrated into the overall resort experience rather than feeling like an expensive add-on. The pricing remains reasonable for a 5-star property, and the Turkish bath experience alone makes the spa visit worthwhile for first-time visitors to Turkey. Family amenities at Delphin Diva deserve special recognition for their thoughtfulness and execution. The Kids Club operates daily from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, offering arts and crafts, mini disco, and age-appropriate sports activities. The supervised programs give parents genuine breaks while ensuring children stay engaged and entertained. The children's pool and water slides provide safe aquatic fun, while the beach offers endless opportunities for sandcastle building and gentle wave play. Family suites with separate bedrooms and living areas acknowledge that families need space to spread out and maintain some privacy. The resort's approach to families feels genuine rather than token. They understand that happy kids usually mean happy parents, and relaxed parents tend to enjoy their vacations more. Evening entertainment includes family-friendly options alongside adult-focused activities, so everyone can participate in resort life. The Kids Club staff receives consistent praise from parents for being attentive, creative, and genuinely caring about children's experiences. Special holiday celebrations include kid-friendly elements that make these events memorable for the entire family. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.